Neil, welcome to my car, and today I am showing you this here. This is the 3M Scotch brand. You see where Scotch brand tape, and it's 3M VHB. And what it is you can kind of see it there a little bit. It's kind of clear, gooey kind of tape. And so I got this because I'm putting some things onto my car, and the tape that it came with, I'm doing these little neon light strip kind of things. Man, I got it all on paper and stuff. But you can kind of see it's this stuff here is what it came with, and it's sticking to the paper right now, but it did not stick to the car very well. As soon as it got warm, it came off. So not so good. So I got this, and then here, this is what I'm sticking up. This is the tube here, and you can kind of see the LED, or whatever, the LED light goes through it, and it lights up the whole little tube, so it kind of looks cool, just a kind of a cool thing. And I put it on here and stick it up, and it seems to be lasting. It's like 100 degrees outside, and it's working, and it's holding up. So I like it, and it should be good for cold, for hot, for everything. You can put it on the inside of the car, outside of the car. I'm not sure it would hold an engine, but it does work for what it's doing. So I like this stuff. Thumbs up for me. I'm putting a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and this stuff is really good if you have stuff to do inside your car. I have these little tubes that are on the back of the seats and stuff. These things are great, and it's been staying up already for about a week now, so I definitely wanted to give this thing a review and tell you guys about it. So I like it, so pick some up if you're doing anything in your car. Not sure it would work in the engine or something super hot or something super frigidly cold, I guess, if you're putting it in a freezer. I don't know, but it does work for me, so I like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.